So these are the Realme Buds 2. So first of all, I'm pretty much late in getting these earphones and making the review, but I was getting so many requests from you people, so I had to finally get these from Amazon. The MRP on these earphones is 799, and you can get these for as low as rupees 500 depending on deals and discount. The earphones are very well built and they have an excellent sound, and these are very budget oriented and pocket friendly earphones. So let's start with the review. The earphones are made completely out of plastic, and these earphones are also magnetic, and you don't get this magnetic feature in many other brands in this particular price range. And if I remember, it's only the Bold Tube earphone that used to be magnetic, but now even the new variant of Bold Tube is non-magnetic. You get the Realme branding at the back of each earpiece, and each earpiece is a combination of matte black and glossy black plastic. The one that I'm having is a black color, and it's a combination of black and yellow, and there are few other color options as well. On both these earpieces, you will find these yellow tips on which it's marked left and right, and the wire quality on these earphones is extremely good. And I was quite surprised to see that the kind of wire provided with these earphones resemble the wire that is actually coming with Sony earphone. So you can see that these wires have these kind of small little grooves which are called serrations, and they very much resemble the wire that come with Sony earphones. So a thumbs up to the kind of wire that are provided. And as you will move down further, you will find the inline microphone which is connected to the right side. Now this inline microphone comes with volume control, which is quite rare at this particular price point. And also this microphone and the buttons provided on the microphone are of very good quality. In fact, when you will press the button, you will not get that cheap feeling. Instead, it will give you a feeling that you are holding a very expensive product. The attention to detail is very awesome. The plus and minus are in yellow color, which gives a good contrast. And also you will find this thin yellow line which is running in between the microphone. So a very aesthetically also I would say the earphones are very pleasing to look at, and the build quality is extremely top notch at a price point of 799. Then as you will move down further, the entire cable will get converted into a braided cable, which gives it more strength and durability. And finally at last you will find a 3.5mm jack, which is not a gold plated one. It's quite good to see that Realme has been a little bit innovative with these earphones, because instead of providing any carry pouch or a case, they are actually providing you with this Realme strap to keep the earphones more organized. So you can actually fold these earphones like this and keep it in your bag or a pocket, and you will never lose this strap because it's always connected to the earphone wire. But if you have a carry pouch or a case, there are chances that you may lose it. So a very innovative implementation of how to keep the earphones organized. If I talk about the quality of a microphone, so this is how the microphones are going to sound when you are connecting this through in your smartphone in the video mode. And I think the volume is pretty much decent. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And I believe that you can use these earphones for recording as well as for any sort of online classes as well. So if I talk about the audio quality, so first of all, I have already reviewed the Realme Buds 1. The original Realme Buds long back, and at that time these were priced at around 699, and I got these for 499. And the Realme Buds 2 uh, were also released 1 year back, and they have marked the price on the box as 799, and you will get these for somewhere around 699 or 499 as well, depending on the deals and discount. So actually, I'm pretty much late in making the review on the Realme Buds 2, and when I posted the box on my Instagram, a lot of you said that you asked for the review 1 year back. The answer here is that I never felt the need of making the review on the Realme Buds 2, but as I was getting a plenty of requests on this particular model, so I had to get these. And some of you also told me that the Realme Buds 3 are also going to launch. So anyway, I'll use these earphones for making the comparison. So if I talk about the Realme Buds 2, these are priced at 799 and easily available for 699, 599 or even 499. At this particular price point, there aren't too many earphones that are first of all magnetic. So these are magnetic, and if you remember, it was the Bolt Audio previous model that used to be magnetic. But I also have the Bolt, not the Bolt Audio, the Bolt Tube previous model, the original Bolt Tube earphone that used to be magnetic. But a few months back I have also ordered the new variant of Bolt 2, and this particular model is non-magnetic. So if you want any earphone with magnetic feature, these are the ones that you should go for. If I talk about the price to build quality ratio, so I will say that these are one of the best build quality that you will find in this particular price bracket. Excellent build quality, matte finish, glossy finish as well, combination of matte and glossy. You also get the inline microphone, which is quite hard to get at this particular price point. And these earphones are actually competing with few other earphones in this particular budget price segment of 500 to 600 rupees, like Ant Audio W56, the Bolt X1, and the Bolt 2, and maybe a few models that I don't have, like the Petron Boom or the Boom 4, which you have asked me. So if I talk about the audio quality, these earphones are advertised as bass earphones, feel the rich bass, but of all the earphones that I'm having with me on this table, like the two variants of Bolt 2 and the Ant Audio W56, these have much higher bass as compared to the Realme Buds 2. So the bass on these is like, it's a not a very punchy bass, it's a very soft bass. You will feel the boom and humming, but you will not get the punch. Overall, I will say that the earphones maintain a very good balance between vocals, trebles, and bass, and they're able to do so because in dynamic drivers they have tuned the earphones in such a way that when the bass is lowered, automatically the vocals and trebles are much more balanced. But if I talk about the very high bass quality, then you should definitely go for the Bolt Loop earphone. Previous model, in fact, the new one also is not as good as the previous one. So that was all about the bass. If I talk about the audio quality, so it was the music that will give you a very pleasing experience on the Realme Buds 2. But when it came to watching movies and more sort of dialogue based content, so I heard that the male voices were amplified a lot, and it gave you a lot of humming rather than the voice clarity. Overall, in the price segment of this 5 or 600 rupees, these are like very decent as compared to all of these in terms of the overall audio quality. But if you are the one who is only looking for bass and only bass, then you can go for the Ant Audio W56 or the Bolt 2 earphone. Overall, everything comes down to price, and at this particular price I don't have any too many complaints with the with the Realme Buds 2. You can definitely go for it. Excellent build quality, wire quality is awesome. One thing you should also know that you only get 6 months warranty on the Realme Buds 2 instead of the standard 1 year warranty. But I will assure you that my father has been using the Realme Buds for the last, I think, 2 years, and no problem at all. He uses the earphones in a very casual way, twisting like this around the smartphone, and no problem as such. Neither the cable has gone bad, and neither any of the earpiece have stopped working. So definitely you can go for this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and happy new year to all of you. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.